Hey guys, I'm Jason Down, and I'm the founder of the Now What Recovery app. I'm also a grateful recovering alcoholic and addict. The reason why I started this app is because I've lost too many family members, too many friends to this disease. I relapsed about 5 years ago, and within 2 years, I'd lost everything. I lost my business, I lost family, I lost relationships that were important to me. Why? Because I wasn't doing the things that I needed to do in my recovery. So if you know what you've done in your addiction, and if it's also taken from you, please take it seriously, because the relapse starts with just a thought. We need to do the things that we need to do to keep ourselves safe. So I've created the app so that you are aware every day of your triggers, your warning signs, right? You get a daily journal every day, and you get the support team that you don't have when you come out of a treatment center immediately. So we're so excited to have you on board, get you involved. Let's give you the tools that you have on your mobile device, and that the people that care about you know where you are every single day. The most important thing that I want to let you know is that I battle with anxiety, depression, negative thinking, negative self-talk, self-esteem issues, body image issues. This app is going to help you come out of those situations, because we focus on the fundamental tools that help you to keep yourself in a positive mindset. And we want to give you the best life, not just a life in recovery away from addiction. We want to give you a life that you're going to be proud of. We thank you and we love you. Come join us.